Hi guys, welcome back to our video again, and today we are heading to collect our new bike, which is the Honda MSX125. Okay, so we finally got the bike back. It's not in perfect condition. Okay, so this is a form of very pleasant surprise because this bike comes with a very cute IU sticker. And of course you will see some scratches here and there. Okay, all this can be polished away. Thing is, you want to remove this box because I don't personally like a box on a regular bike unless it's a scooter. So I also noticed there's this blue film thing that is not removed. Obviously the license plates are quite new. What happened here was when you are on high speed it flaps and it creates some weird noise. So you gotta take this out and remove this. We can also see that the box is not functioning. It's supposed to be like that, but this thing just came out from here. So it's a 180 opening. It's an easy fix. By hitting on this secondary button, you can basically unhook the box out. So in this case, we will just dump all the accessories in. This one, we will just screw it back later. So just need to tap it back. Okay, and now it's as good as new. So yep, it holds. Now we gotta remove this base plate by just unscrewing all this, and then we will end up with a rack because removing the rack is quite complicated. The plate is all the way in, so we have to take out a few panels in order to take out the rack, so we just probably leave it on the other day. We will just want to disassemble all the unnecessary items and then bring it for a good wash first. To release the bolt here, okay. So to prevent your screw to be missing, just keep everything back. So keep them as a set. So the next time when you need them, they will be around. So the handlebar is kind of weird, and we couldn't do a U-turn because it sort of blocked our motion. So the heat shield actually falls off from the bike because I guess it's not properly secured, or the vibrations actually vibrate the screw loose and it's destroyed, as you can see in the image. So we gotta get a new one. So we disassembled this part here, the exhaust muffler cover. First thing we realized that it was broken before. So someone break it and then uses a glue here, you see, to stick it back. The reason why we took it out is because of there's some vibration sound here. We noticed that this rubber, there's a rubber damper here, okay, but this part is missing. We got this rubber boot spare. Okay, so we DIY this little piece here, fits, and then we gotta mount back and see whether it works. Movement is slightly smaller. Okay, I believe it will solve the vibration metal shaking sound. So now we are taking out the air filter to inspect how dirty the filter is. And the air filter has a lot of screw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 in total. 4 here, 4 there. Oh, wow. I felt that it's quite dirty. So it's a K&N filter, and it's quite dirty, so we probably have to take it out and wash it. Since we have taken out this box, so we probably gotta clean it also. So while washing it, we found that we have a missing clamp bolt on the exhaust header to the muffler, which can be easily replaced. It's an M8. This is the generous stash of leftover. We sort of like accumulate through the years. So we found 2 replacement M6 screw. Okay, so all we need to do is just wait for the cover to be here. At the meantime, we just respray all this. So the main muffler, where you see some rust spot, so we gotta sand it and spray over it. So now we are taking out the front sprocket cover because there will be a lot of grime stuck here. Okay, from the boat you can tell it's quite dirty, but this bad feeling. Okay, as expected, it's a disaster. Okay, probably we have to do some cleaning of this. So these are our cleaning kit. So the best way to degrease is to use kerosene, and also prepare some gloves so to protect your hand, because after that your skin will be very dry. So as you can see, there's a lot of grease stuck here, huge chunk here. We are trying to clear all this out. Okay, you can see the metal is shiny now. Okay, we shouldn't do this at night lah, okay? We should do it in the day because it's more visible. The consequences if you do your nuts and bolt near the drain. So we drop a bolt onto the drain and we have to go down and pick it up. I guess it's somewhere here. Okay, so this is after. You can clearly see that the grime is all gone. And then you can see from this cover the before and after. Okay, it's not perfect, but best ability. So this is the end of our first part video where we strip down the bike and then check for any issues and also clean it up. As we know that all the workshop does not check as thoroughly as the owner itself. So it's always good that you check through your bike once you got it over to ensure everything is in spec. There will be more videos upcoming along, and thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.